A warm greeting to all my viewers. I am Dr. Nalini, Assistant Professor from the Department of BSc Data Analytics, Nalini College. Here in this video, we are going to see big data technologies. Let us start with the concept of this big data technology by giving some examples which will help us to understand the details of this technologies. Big data. Let me say some simple example for this big data. It is nothing but the data which we are collecting in our daily life. We are living in a computerized digital world today. So everything, each and every data which are collected is computerized and it is available in each and every place all around the world. Today, whatever data we are collecting, that is useful to get some information. The information is very, very important. So, this big data is nothing but identifying the problem. What do you mean by identifying the problem? In each and every case, when we are studying the data, we need to identify that particular problem. For simple example, when we are going to clinic, we have to diagnose by the doctor. The doctor will not give us any prescription without analyzing our problems. The first question is, what is your name, what is the gender, what is the age, and all other details. So these data, simple data, whenever the doctor is analyzing, and then it is very useful to give some proper description, medical description to our problem. So the big data is nothing but we are going to analyze what is the exact problem is about. And this is the simple example I gave. So let us go into the business world. Okay. Now Amazon, take Amazon. Amazon has got wonderful products and their services are, n number of services are provided by the Amazon. And we can see Amazon products and services which are available all over the world. So it is not an easy task to perform all the operations of Amazon. They have to do their business and then advertising of all the products, and then they have to do all sale of the products, etc. And they have to promote their each and every products to all over the world, or that is all customers in all over the world. So let us see what is the technology. By applying the technology, we have to analyze the problem and then try to give solution to the particular problem. So, using the new technologies, we are going to analyze the problem and trying to give a proper solution is called big data technologies. Let us see what are the other things which are related to the big data technology. As technology companies like Amazon, Meta and Google continue to grow and integrate with our lives, they are influencing big data technologies to monitor sales, improve supply chain in efficient manner and customer satisfaction in order to predict future business outcomes. So our main aim is how we are going to promote our business. The International Data Corporation predicts that the data which is available today will be increasing up to 175 zettabytes, which is equal to a trillion gigabytes. Nowadays, we are using the software tools to manage all types of data sets and how we are going to transform those data sets into business insights. Now we will see what are the main types of big data technologies. They are categorized into 4 types. Number 1, data storage. Number 2, data mining. Number 3, data analytics, and then data visualization. We will see what is data storage now. It is used to store, fetch and manage big data. So already I told that Now we are living in the world and we are getting many huge amount of data. In each and every day we are receiving a lot of data, and we should know how to try to find problems in the data. The tools which are used to store the data are Apache Hadoop and MongoDB. These two are wonderful tools which are able to store the data in proper manner. That is, it is very, very important how we are storing the data first. If we are not able to retrieve the data properly, then we are not able to find the solution for that particular data. So it is very important how we are storing the data in the system. So Apache Hadoop is an open software platform which is used to store and process big data in a distributed computing environment across hardware clusters, and which is faster also. And it can process all types of data formats. That means it can process structured data, unstructured data, and semi-structured data. The next comes MongoDB, which uses NoSQL databases, and it is used to manage unstructured data. It is written in C, C++, and JavaScript. The next we will go into data mining. Mining is nothing but we are going to extract the useful patterns, and we are going to find what are the new trends in the raw data. Raw data means the data which we are collecting. From the raw data, we need to identify what are the useful patterns. For simple example, in gold mining, we are not able to get the gold directly. We have to do several processes in order to get the pure gold. In the same manner, data which we have collected, it is not at all going to be in the proper manner. So those raw data, we need to do some process in order to mine it, in order to get some useful information. The tools we can use for this data mining are RapidMiner and Presto. These two tools are very easy and they are very useful in mining the data. RapidMiner used to build a predictive, machine learning and deep learning models. So these techniques are used in the artificial intelligence also. The next tool is Presto. It is developed by Facebook and they are applying the queries with their large data sets. It can also combine data from multiple sources within an organization in a matter of minutes. Means it is very faster. The next technology we can see is data analytics. So this is very, very important and useful in nowadays projects. Why I am saying this? Can you imagine? Whenever we have encountered COVID-19, the situation which we faced, it is affected in all the departments, economics and then medicinal, and then each and every one encountered many different problems when we face this COVID-19 situation. So today, the new technologies are arised and they are very helpful to transform the data into information. Yes, so for COVID patients also, it is not so easy to give a proper medicine in that time. What are the problems we faced? It is really a big data because the medicines are not given to the patients, those who are living in Chennai or those who are living in United States of America. It is totally different. The doctors are struggling how to find the solutions, how to give medicines to the patients in different situations. The variety of data are available. The patients are not in one particular age. The patients may be adults, they may be children, or they may be teenage people. So we have to analyze the data correctly and identify the problems and then try to give proper solution to the patients. that is very tedious task and difficult task. That is a simple example I can give for this analytics. The tools, the different types of tools are available nowadays. In that, very important one is Apache Spark, Splunk and SAS. Apache Spark is faster than Hadoop and it is very efficient tool. The next comes Splunk. It is used for deriving insights from the large data set. And it has got the ability to generate graphs, reports and dashboards. That is, it is very useful for visualization. The next comes as it is open and cloud native AI, analytics and data management which is used to discover insights of the data. The next comes data visualization. Visualization is nothing but how we are going to visualize the data after processing. The tools which are used are Tableau and Looker. Tableau is very easy tool and it is very easy interface which can create pie chart, bar charts and box plots. Looker, it is mainly used for business purposes and it is called a business intelligence tool used for making a better decisions in big data analytics. And they also give a variety of charts, graphs and dashboards to configure to the query. Next, we will go to big data. What is the meaning of big data analytics? The definition is, it is a process used to extract meaningful insights such as hidden patterns and unknown correlations, market trends and customer preferences. For example, Amazon, how they are doing their marketing, sales, advertising and promotion of their products all over the world. The big data analytics helps organizations to control their data and use it to identify new opportunities. And they are also using smarter business which enhance their operations to satisfy their customer satisfactions. The next, we will see what is about big data. What are the key characteristics of big data? There are different types of key characteristics are available, but we will see which are important in this video. Number one, volume, which is nothing but huge amount of data is available. Number two, variety, that is different formats of data are available. Number three, veracity, that is what are the uncertainty in the data. Whatever data we are collecting, that should be a correct one. If there is any uncertainty, oscillation, that means it is called the veracity. The next comes velocity, the speed how the data are generated. The next one, value. How will you extract useful data, that is called value. So on the whole, big data contains important 5 V's. The next, we will see what is about big data in detail. Data are exist in different formats like structured data, semi-structured data and unstructured data. For example, in Excel sheet, we can find all the data which is arranged in the rows and columns and they are in the different format. The next comes email. There in the email, we are giving text, pictures and as well as videos. So they are called unstructured data. All these data are combined to make up a big data. The next we will see what are the uses of big data analytics. Why we are going for that? There are many different ways the big data technologies can be used in order to improve business and organization. The first use is to understand the customer behavior. What type of customer? We need to analyze. So normally we will be filling up KYC forms. So what are they? First we need to know about our customer. What are the needs and wants of the customer? So that we can do the business in proper manner. The next, the predicting future trends in order to make a better business decisions. And also how to improve the marketing campaigns in order to understand what is the mood of the customer. Some of the examples I gave here. Number one, in banking and securities, we need to apply big data analytics and healthcare sections, and in insurance sections, energy and utilities, where are the energies are available, education system, for transportation, media and entertainment, manufacturing sector, and your government sector. In government sector, whenever a new policies are given to the people, we need to analyze the demographic details of the particular case. So, demographic details are very important whenever the government has to deliver the new policies. The next, we will go to different types of applications in big data analytics. As I said earlier, it is very useful in the customer satisfaction in order to understand the consumer. The next, we will know about the finance and fraud services. Nowadays we can receive many problems regarding the transactions in the banking sectors. So how to identify those problems in the banking sector and try to give solution to the each and every problem. The next, web and digital media. There also we need to analyze our campaign management and loyalty programs. The next comes health services. As I give the example as COVID-19, we need to analyze the particular patient in order to give a proper medicines to the patients. The next comes telecommunication, the revenue assurance and the price optimization and customer churn prevention and campaign management and customer loyalty is one of the examples for telecommunications. The next comes e-commerce, that is how we are going to give service to all the customers. The next, we will see about the life cycle phases of big data analytics. So, each and every phase, we need to perform each and every task. So, what are they? We will see by different stages. Stage number 1, business case evaluation. The lifestyle, in next class, we will see what are the different phases of big data analytics. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.